The architects of tomorrow. We live in an era where the boundaries of human potential are being redrawn every single day. The tools we possess right now were the science fiction of yesterday. Today, we look at the world through the lens of ultimate connection and infinite capability. But who is driving this change? It is the risk takers, the data crunchers, the truth seekers, the boundary pushers. Today, we explore how modern entrepreneurs, finance experts, scientists, and elite athletes are using the ultimate catalyst of our generation, artificial intelligence, to reshape their worlds and ours. Welcome to the age of the architects of tomorrow. Let's start with the dreamers. In the past, starting a global business required massive capital, factories, and armies of lawyers. Today, an entrepreneur needs a laptop, an internet connection, and a vision. The modern entrepreneur doesn't just work hard. They work hyper-efficiently. With global supply chains accessible at the click of a button and remote talent available worldwide, micro-multinationals are born overnight. But the real game changer is how they leverage AI. Today, a solo founder can use AI to conduct deep market research in seconds, write code without knowing programming, and generate hyper-targeted marketing campaigns for a global audience. The barrier to entry has fallen to zero. In this new world, the only currency that truly matters is your ability to solve a problem and execute at lightning speed. While entrepreneurs build, finance fuels the engine. The world of finance has evolved from smoky boardroom handshakes to high-frequency algorithms running at the speed of light. Today's financial experts are no longer just looking at spreadsheets. They are navigating a complex ecosystem of decentralized finance, global digital assets, and predictive analytics. The sheer volume of data moving across the globe is humanly impossible to track. Enter artificial intelligence. AI models can now analyze millions of global events, social media trends, and economic indicators simultaneously to predict market movements before they happen. Managing risk and allocating capital has become an exact science. In this high-stakes world, the winners are those who can synthesize data the fastest. Success is not something that happens overnight. If finance every successful person started with a dream and the courage to take action. We are currently living through a scientific renaissance. From quantum computing to gene editing, our understanding of biology and physics is expanding exponentially. Historically, discovering a new drug or understanding a disease took decades of trial and error. Today, scientists are compressing decades into days. By utilizing AI, researchers can simulate molecular structures and predict how proteins fold with near-perfect accuracy. This means custom-tailored medicine, faster vaccines, and breakthrough clean energy solutions are becoming reality. Science is no longer just about observing nature. It's about writing the code for a healthier, more sustainable planet. But what about the human machine itself? Look at modern sports. Athletes today are breaking records that were once thought to be physically impossible. This isn't just luck. It is the pinnacle of human biomechanics and data science. The modern athlete's world is completely quantified. Every heartbeat, every breath, every millisecond of sleep is tracked by advanced wearables. Coaches use AI to analyze an athlete's movement patterns in real time, detecting micro-fatigue before an injury even occurs. Nutrition is optimized down to the exact gram based on daily blood work. AI models can even simulate an opponent's strategy, allowing athletes to mentally play a match hundreds of times before stepping onto the field. Perfect physical execution meets perfect data.
Focus on comfort.
Do you see the pattern?
Growth.
Whether you are trying to launch a startup, beat the stock market, cure a disease, or win a gold medal, the common denominator of our era is artificial intelligence. AI is not replacing the entrepreneur, the financier, the scientist, or the athlete. It is elevating them. It acts as a cognitive exoskeleton, a force multiplier that takes human intelligence, creativity, and ambition and scales it to infinity. The current tools available to us give a single individual the power that used to belong only to massive corporations or governments. We have the data of the entire world in our pockets and the computing power to make sense of it in real time. The world has never been more competitive, but it has also never been full of more opportunity. The tools are ready. The data is waiting. The infrastructure is built. The only question left is, what will you build with it? Because in today's world, the future isn't something we wait for. It's something we design. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to build the tomorrow you want to see, Hit subscribe, use the tools at your disposal, and start executing today. See you in the next video.